would like to do my postgraduate program in Brazil, but I prefer it to be in São Paulo or Rio de Janeiro. Yeah, this is one of the requests I get from people. And to be honest with you, these regions are actually very good because as a foreigner, you have better opportunity. However, every region in Brazil, you have the same basic, amenities. You have access to same basic amenities. Okay, but this region, talking about São Paulo, talking about Rio, or other regions, especially within the south, there is high tendency for you to also have better opportunity. This is just a fact. Okay, so in today's video I'm bringing you an opportunity that is in São Paulo. Actually two opportunities, one in São Paulo, another one in Rio de Janeiro, and there is this third one that most people have been asking me to make a video about. And to be honest with you, today's video is going to be like a roller coaster. I may not be able to do deep into translating the document to English and all, but then it is something that I've read through and it is something that you can apply for. In fact, one of them is having exam as part of its application process, but guess what, it is something that you can do from the comfort of your home. I'm saying that the exam is going to be remotely, right? So maybe you're just going to translate it into English and do it from the comfort of just one of them actually. So guys, without further ado, let's just go straight to the detail of the program or of the opportunity. So right now we are at Universidade Federal University of São Paulo, USP, the best university in all of Latin America. So guys, this is the opportunity is in social anthropology. So if your first degree was in history, sociology, anthropology, social science, and other related areas, you are eligible to apply. And São Paulo being the biggest, let me use the word shortest state in Brazil, so you have the access to do either masters or if you are interested in direct PhD. So in this program too, there is opportunity for direct PhD admission. So University of São Paulo, again, kudos to the admission committee of this program. I've read and I realized that everything is very good. So let me just quickly read here again. Applications are open from August 12th, 2025 to August 25 for filling vacancies for candidates who have opted for and open to general public in master's, doctorate, and direct doctorate program of the graduate program in social anthropology at the University of São Paulo for admission in the first semester of 2026. So this admission process is going to be completed this year, but your resumption is next year, first semester. And I've been saying it to people that this is one of the best options because you have ample time, to prepare yourself, apply for visa, and get yourself ready mentally and otherwise. So the University Foundation of Entrance Exam will be responsible for organizing and administering the selection process, and questions can be sent to this. If you are having any doubts, if you need further clarification, this is the email you are going to send your clarification requests to. And when I even look at the notice, it is just 3 questions they're going to ask you. I saw that when I was checking out. So if you are interested, guys, try to apply. You're just going to click here. If you click this part, it's going to take you to another page, and this is the page it will bring you to. But I've not been able to kind of translate it to English, but I've read it and I've read the important part, and I realized that it is something that you can do it even as a foreigner that is not residing in Brazil. But I want you to take note of the application period, which is very, very important. We are between now till I think next week for you to do submitting this application. So this is the first one I'm talking about, guys, in this video. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do so, and I want you to like. If this is not your area of interest, don't worry, I got you covered. And you can as well send this one to someone that may be interested, right? So the next one is a fantastic one. Like I said, there are 70 vacancies in this school, and for all of you that have been looking for opportunity in education, this is your chance. However, this program is a professional master's degree in education and teaching. This is one of the areas I've been telling people that are in teaching line to try to explore a professional degree in education. So it's cut across all different areas in education, be it biology, be it STEM, be it arts, be it commercial, any area where you are serving as a teacher, this is just going to be a perfect one for you. And like I said, there are 70 vacancies for to be admitted. They are looking for 70 people for this admission, and the school is no any other one than the university at Minas Gerais that represents Minas Gerais. So let me just quickly read, and as well I'm also going to leave you with the downloading of the PDF. Do every necessary thing that you need to do and submit your application. However, we're going to look at the time you have. So from this date onward, you can view complete notices for the selection process for the professional master's degree in education and teaching for entry in 2026. This one as well, you're going to be resuming in 2026, not in 2025. Please, I want you to take note of that, and I've always been saying that it's a very good one. You can also access the forms and templates specified in the regulatory document for self-completion. The regular notice will offer 64 vacancies, while the supplementary notice will offer 6 vacancies. That makes it 70, right? So 3 for indigenous people and 3 for people with disability. There are total of 70 vacancies for admission in the first semester of 2026. Minas Gerais is a very good place as well if you are interested. The notices comply with resolution. These are of the Federal University of Minas Gerais Teaching, Research and Extension Council. Except from these notices were published in the official gazette of the Union. So they want you to pay attention to this date. Application period from 21st of July to August 2025. The school is wishing you good luck to everyone who intends to apply for these vacancies. So Minas Gerais is calling you if you're interested and you want to do a professional master's degree in education. If you're a teacher, aspiring teacher, educational consultant, this is a best fit for you. So guys, try to download the notice here. So this is the notice of the application, and you can also look at the supplementary notice if you want, but everything, all the information you need to apply, you're going to see them in this particular notice. So once you download this particular PDF file, translate it to English and do the needful, and I'm wishing you best of luck, guys. So now we are going to we started from São Paulo, we're in Minas Gerais. So right now let's quickly touch down in Rio de Janeiro. So for all of you that have been looking for opportunity in Rio de Janeiro, I have one today, so I'm going to be showing you right now. Again, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. If this is not your area, I want you to share with someone, and thank you. Alright guys, so we're at Universidade Federal do Rio de Janeiro. Universidade Federal do Rio de Janeiro. So Federal University of Rio de Janeiro. Earlier this year, I was at this university, meeting one of my friend lecturer, a professor actually, that works in this university. When we talk about top-notch universities in Brazil, this is one of them. So I'm looking at the program in psychology. Psychology is not a program that is so common. So anytime you see it, it's an hot cake. So if you are interested, you want to do psychology is your first degree, please, or you want to do a postgraduate in psychology, this is the chance. Shoot your shots. 2025-2026 master and doctorate selection. Information on the masters and doctorate selection, including announcement form, calendar reference, and other critical information. So you can also look at the different lecturers that are in this course. So in case you want to get to know some of them, you want to learn about their research lines and what have you, so try to do all of that. But let's look at the master degree. The selection process for the 2025 and 2026 master degree is available on this link. So this is the link where you are going to see the editor. They call it the editor in Brazil. That is all the information about this call. You will see it on this PDF file. If you don't understand Portuguese, kindly translate it to English. Item number 2 says the calendar for the 2025-2026 degree is also available here. Okay, so if you want to see how the whole process is going to unfold, you can check the calendar. And item number 3 says references and program content by line of research. Like you want to get familiar with the lines, with the different research line, the teachers there, and all of that. You can do all of it. Basically, they have something like cognition, development, and subjectivity research line. They have something like psychosocial, historical, and collective process research line, and they also have subjectivity, cultural, and clinical practice research line. So for you to know the different lecturers that are working in this area, you might need to visit these different differently. But let's just take a look at the how the whole thing is going to unfold. So registration is on or has been on since this date and is going to close on the 22nd of August. Oh wow, this is a bit close. The homologation is going to be done on the night, and so just take a look at the table and see if it is something you will be interested in. And again, don't forget that if this is not your area, you can send it to someone that may be interested. I want you to keep it locked to the channel. I want you to give the video a like. I want you to subscribe to the channel. Please, let's make this channel grow. Lately, I've not been able to do more than one video per week because of some other personal responsibilities, right? But when I see people subscribing to the channel and I'm seeing the growth of the channel, it will also motivate me and to drop more opportunity. If you are intending to come to Brazil, this is one of the channels you should keep it locked with. So thank you so much. I want you to share it with someone that may be interested. If you have any comments or if you need any clarification, I want you to drop a comment. And if you need someone, because all of these 3 universities that we have talked about, one thing is common to all of them, and the thing is that you will need a proposer for your application. So if you need someone that's going to help you, if you need someone to help you write a proposal, yes, that is where I can come in. And if you also want me to help you apply for the schools and overhaul the process, I can also do all of that. You can reach out to me on Instagram, or you can send me an email. Once again, I really want to appreciate you for all of you that have been on this channel from day one, or you have joined from for some times. I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much. If there is any clarification, again, don't forget to drop a comment and I will be swift to respond to your comment. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Até mais. Ciao, ciao.